everyone, today I'm reviewing this HUD display from Empower. As you can see, I've already installed in my car, and this is a Honda Accord car, and it was pretty easy to install this, and it's pretty steady. You can rotate this as you want. Now the concept is very good, very innovative, but there are certain flaws in it. First, as you can see, I have my iPhone over here. This is iPhone 5s, and the flap where it reflects over here, it's pretty difficult. If it's not, it keeps on flipping off. As you can see, it's right now it's touching the mirror. If I adjust it this way, the way I want it, so that I can see it clearly, it keeps on falling. And the second thing is, it's not easy to remove the phone from here. As you can see, it is it keeps on rotating. It's pretty difficult. So while driving, if I have to answer a call, it's difficult to answer call because I cannot pick it up, and it's difficult to concentrate on both the things while driving. And for this, I need to install a Bluetooth transmitter over here so that I can easily answer the calls. And during the daytime, since right now it's pretty sunny and it's pretty hot here where we stay, the iPhone gets heated up very fast, and I had kept it for like only 10 minutes and it was pretty heated up. And as it is, my iPhone gives me error, especially for the camera and the flashlight, and because of this heat up, I'm not able to use my rear camera. So it's a good concept, but I wouldn't use it, and I wouldn't spend money on this. And also, while driving during the sun, it reflects, and it's difficult to see exactly what is over here, as what's the speed or what's the direction given over here. So overall, I wouldn't recommend this. Thank you so much.